Hi, this is a time lapse of a great eggfly butterfly painting in acrylic, condensed from 42 minutes to 4 minutes of a video, just so I won't bore you. Because I feel like sometimes real time painting is real fun and relaxing, but they're kind of boring if you're not into that. So I'm going to do like a mix of real-time videos and time lapses, just so I can be a bit faster. Anyway, this butterfly name still sounds slightly fictional to me, but the colors are very real. I don't know why I was not planning on this painting. I'm working on a large scale painting of 99 butterflies, and when I planned on painting them, I was not planning on painting so many blue butterflies. But you know how you go into the blue loop where you just look at a blue butterfly and then Google recommends you more blue butterflies, and you're like, oh, I love this one, and then you're like, oh, I love this one, I love this one. So yeah, I was planning on having only a blue morpho and maybe a blue nymph, but now it's 6 blue butterflies, and I'm not gonna stop there. I don't think I'm gonna stop. Anyway, the process involved layering dark tones first. Well, actually it was a white layer first, so I can see the contrast, then blues, and building up the blue markings, and then just for contrast I added black, more blue, more black, more white, and so on. But yeah, you can see it here. It was fun. I actually find painting butterflies is fun. Whenever I do them like in large scale, big butterflies, I overstress over the details, but I find that painting them small, and I mean, you can see the size of my hand next to the butterfly. You can relate sizes. I find I don't worry so much about details, and I just slather some paint here and there and not worry too much whether it's realistic or not. Because this painting, even though it's like a 2 meter by a 1 meter and something painting, it's not, I don't rely on details. I rely on a collection. What I wanted to do is like a butterfly collection, one of those natural history museum kind of collections, or something similar. Anyway, this butterfly, just like I said, it's part of a much larger butterfly painting I'm currently working on. It's supposed to be made up of 99 butterflies for now. I don't know how many I'm gonna fit in the end, because I do find some spaces are a bit too big, so I'm probably gonna just squeeze in maybe a little smaller one there, this painting felt ambitious at butterfly number 3. But it's increasingly questionable after that. I was like, oh, maybe this is too much for me, but I'm not just gonna give up now. If you enjoy relaxing painting time lapses, nature-inspired artwork, watching a painting slowly come together, you will probably enjoy this one. I also create commissions. I do specify in, how do I put this? I specialize. Yeah, that's the word. Sorry, English is my second language. I specialize in custom pet portraits. So if you feel like having an acrylic painting of your beautiful cat, or your beautiful dog, or your ferret, or your mouse, or I don't know, your bird, just give me a sign. I charge about 70 to 80 euros for an A4 size. I have more sizes available. I also work in acrylic, wash. Feel free to check other videos. I do have quite a few of those pet portrait videos uploaded here, so take a look at those. And in the box below you will see my email and my Etsy shop, so feel free to hit me up. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends, because the algorithm hates me.